In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Grammarly not working in Google Docs and Grammarly. By the end, you'll have Grammarly properly enabled and responding inside Google Docs, with common Chrome and extension issues resolved. First, open Google Chrome. Make sure you're using Chrome, since Grammarly's Google Docs support relies on the Chrome extension. Next, go to Extensions. In the top right corner, click the puzzle piece icon, then click Manage Extensions to open the Chrome Extensions page. Find Grammarly. Scroll through your list of extensions until you see Grammarly for Chrome. Turn it on. If the Grammarly toggle is off, click it to turn it on. The switch should turn blue, and the label should say On. Click the Grammarly extension icon. In the Chrome toolbar, click the green Grammarly G to open the extensions panel. Make sure it is enabled for Google Docs. In the Grammarly panel, confirm Grammarly is active on docs.google.com. If there's a toggle or a setting for Google Docs or writing suggestions on Google Docs, make sure it's turned on. If you see a prompt to allow Grammarly on this site, approve it. Close the panel when it's enabled. Refresh your Google Docs page. Switch to your open Google Doc and click the Reload button, or press Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on Mac. After the page reloads, wait a moment for Grammarly's underlined suggestions to appear as you type. If nothing shows yet, continue. Clear browser cache. In Chrome, click the three dots in the top right, Open Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Clear Browsing Data. Select cached images and files only. Set the time range to all time, or at least the last 7 days, and click Clear Data. This removes outdated files that can block extension scripts. Don't worry, this won't remove your documents. Restart Google Chrome. Fully close all Chrome windows, wait a couple of seconds, then reopen Chrome. Return to your Google Doc and check if Grammarly loads. If it still doesn't, keep going. Update Google Chrome. Click the three dots, go to Help, then About Google Chrome. Chrome will check for updates and install them. When prompted, click Relaunch. Outdated Chrome versions can prevent extensions from running correctly. Update Grammarly extension. Go back to the Extensions page. In the top right, turn on Developer Mode. Then click the Update button. This forces Chrome to fetch the latest version of all extensions, including Grammarly. When the update completes, leave Developer Mode on or off. Either is fine. You disable other extensions. Possible conflict. On the Extensions page, toggle off all other extensions except Grammarly. This is temporary and safe. Conflicting extensions that modify pages can block Grammarly in Google Docs. With others turned off, return to your Google Doc and refresh. If Grammarly now works, you've identified a conflict you can address later by re-enabling extensions one at a time. Log out and log back into Grammarly. Click the Grammarly G icon again, open the Account menu, and choose Log Out. Then click the icon again, sign back in with your Grammarly account, and confirm you're logged in. Return to your Google Doc and refresh to load your account settings cleanly. Reinstall Grammarly extension. On the Extensions page, click Remove on Grammarly for Chrome and confirm. Then open the Chrome Web Store. Search for Grammarly for Chrome, click Add to Chrome, and confirm Add Extension. After installation, click the Grammarly icon, sign in, and go back to your Google Doc. Refresh the page and type a few words to confirm suggestions appear. At this point, Grammarly should be working in Google Docs with the extension enabled, Chrome updated, and any conflicts resolved. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.